In this video, we will talk about how to fix 2026-02 Security Update KB5077181 not installing in Windows 11. Method 1. Update Services. Click in Search, type Services, select Run as Administrator. In here, search for Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and App Readiness. Follow the same for other services. Right-click and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Start if it's not running. Then click on Apply and OK. Right-click one more time and select Restart. After performing the same steps with other two services, open Windows Update and check if it works for you. Method 2. Repair Commands. Click in Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following commands one by one and press Enter. These commands could take some time, so let them run. After running all three commands, click on Start and restart your computer. After restart, try running the update one more time. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If not, check out our part 2. Link is given in the description. See you in the next video.